Welcome to Vintage to Muscle. Today we're going to be talking about this 1970 Monte Carlo. We've had this 70 Monte Carlo for probably about a year now. The owner had started to do some of the restoration, and he couldn't finish it, and he just wanted to get it done basically before he was dead. So we have done most of the body work already and the engine work. Jim here has done, I think you've done almost all the mechanical work, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
All right. Jim can go over some of the things that were involved with the restoration of the engine and the mechanical components and also as if there was any modifications that we did per the owner's request.
This car was born with this 454 motor and factory air conditioning. It's a factory replacement big block that was done early on in its life. We could tell by the numbers on the motor. We're going to restore this as close to factory as humanly possible for the customer. Everything has to be meticulously done as they would have done it back in the day. This was a complete frame-off restoration. It had a factory vinyl top originally, which we're going to put back on. That's why you'll see that the roof is sanded down lightly. We're going to give it one more hit just before we're ready to put the vinyl top back on the car. Another rare option that this car had was rear air shocks, but they were controlled by a compressor that was mounted up front underneath the hood. Parts for this system are pretty much non-existent. So we've been acquiring certain things. I'm working on the rear valve, the control valve now, to try to get it to work again. None of this stuff can be purchased, but he would really like to have this system operational, so that's what we're shooting for on this one. This car is also very close to being started for the first time, to be broken in. Won't be long before we do that. That's another reason why the sheet metal's not on the front of the car. I'd rather start it where I have access to it to check everything.
Tune in next time for Vintage to Muscle, when we hope, if everything goes well, to fire up this engine and hear it come to life after sitting for the last 50 or 60 years.